Hello guys, and how are you? I miss you a lot. Today we have a reading lesson, a new story we started today. It is Moon Walk. It's an interesting story and you will love it so much. The theme of the story is adventures by land, air and water. The genre of the story is science fiction, which means a story based on science, and it often tells about life in the future. The setting of the story, where it happened on the moon. The author's purpose is to inform us. The characters that we will know in this story are Jerry, Vern, and Father. Some vocabulary that will help us understand the story. The first word is loomed. Loomed here is a verb. Something loomed, something appears as a vague form, especially one that is large or threatening. I don't understand. Something loomed, something scared me. Something appeared scary. Like when I say the thunderstorm loomed in the horizon. Means it loomed in the sky. It became scary. It appears as vague and threatening. Okay? The second word is rill. Rill is something on the moon, a long narrow valley or channel on the surface of the moon, like this one here. Runt, an animal, person or plant that is smaller than usual size, very small. Summoning, to officially arrange a meeting of people, calling upon. Like when I summon your dad, if you make troubles in the class and then I tell you, be quiet, or else I'll summon your dad. Means I will call him to come and meet him, but officially, in an official way. Staggered, became unsteady, wavered or stumbled. Somebody stumbles and he can't walk. They call staggered. You become unsteady. Taunted or toned, to annoy and upset someone by laughing at them, or mocked. You mock a person, you taunt a person, you make him angry by laughing at him. Trench. Trench is a narrow hole which is dug into the ground, like the word ditch is a synonym. Trudged, to walk slowly with a lot of effort, like this person. Page 362 in the Reader's Writer's Notebook in the RWN. Choose the word from the books that best replaces the underlined words. Write the word on the line. The sun shone into the narrow valley on the moon. Yes, rail. Justin walked with effort as he grew tired in the hot sun. Trudged. My brother picked out the unusually small animal as his favorite of the letter. Runt. Tina became unsteady when she tried to walk in the spacesuit. She staggered. Lisa mocked her brother at the dinner table. Toned. The thunder cloud hung threateningly above them. The first word, you remember? Loomed. The thunder cloud loomed means it became scary. It made us scared. Choose the word from the box that best matches each clue. Write the word on the line. This is a ditch. Trench. You are doing this when you call on your own courage. Summoning. You might have walked like this when you were tired. Trudged. You might have walked like this after becoming dizzy. Staggered. This was all the Reader's Writer's Notebook. We have some pages in the reading street. Page 288. It's just an introduction to the story. We have nothing here but an intro to the new story, but we will not start the story today. Okay. Page 293. This is not the story here. This is a passage that we will read in order to understand the new vocabulary of the story. But we will start the new story, Moonwalk, next time, inshallah, next week. Let's listen to this page together and make sure that we understand the meaning of the words.
Gone to the moon. People have long dreamed of going to the moon. Maybe this is because the moon circles so close by. No other thing in space is closer to Earth. How could we not conquer this small thing, this runt? When the machine age arrived, the moon still taunted us. I'm so close, it teased. Why don't you come on up? In 1969, 3 people did. Summoning all our knowledge and technology, we sent them into space and guided them to the moon. They had to call on all their bravery to blast off into the unknown. Imagine how their hearts raced as the moon loomed before them. Imagine their awe as 2 of them stepped where no person had ever set foot. They saw craters and a rill, a narrow valley that looks like a trench. With every step, they leaped rather than trudged. On Earth, because of gravity, we plod along. It was easy to pick up moon rocks under whose weight they would have staggered and stumbled on Earth. Was it worth it to go to the moon? Yes.
Thank you guys for listening. I want you to read page 293 again and make sure that you understand all the meanings of the words, and see you again next time when we start reading the story. Thank you and goodbye.